Hey, it's Greg Allison from Green Grays coming to you on the last day of 2020, 31 December 2020. And I'm here to tell you this. We've had a lot going on in our society that is causing a demand for a lot of products, and the stores are selling out. One thing you need to know is you need to get your seeds preps done now. You need seeds. This is the time of year to order seeds because people are ordering them real heavy by February. I'd say go ahead and get them now, because more people are going to be turning on to gardening, and they're going to be trying to get ready. There's going to be a huge demand on seeds this season. I'm already hearing of shortages of certain seeds. It's hard to get. So I would avail myself to that right now. Get what you can while you can, because seeds are crucial for growing your own food, and that's what you need to be able to do to stay resilient. Of course, you can support my channel, help me and help yourself, by going to my link below on True Leaf Market. Use my link to True Leaf Market. It's in my show notes, and it's also in the pin notes I put below the videos. True Leaf Market. You can get great deals on seeds there, and they tell you how to raise the seeds, how to grow your plants, and you get all the supplies you need for growing microgreens in your home too, and microgreen seeds. And you can get supplies for growing a lot of other gardening needs. So True Leaf Market's a great source to go to for that. All right, enough said on that. Just know that this rush, like toilet paper and everything else, I'm expecting a lot of things might be going down here in the next few weeks, months, days even. I'm going to do another video sometime today. I don't know if I'm posting this one or that one next, but I'll be doing a video about, I may have already posted by the time I post this one, about what might happen on the 6th of January. We may have a very eventful day. But anyway, there's a lot of people thinking it's going to hit the fan no matter what certain outcomes are. So I just want to let y'all know, get ready. Get your garden ready. Buy your seeds. Oh yeah, by the way, check out all my worm beds here. I've been showing y'all just progress in some of these. We're getting these rebuilt. We had a problem with some worm beds. The worm beds are coming back in line here. So that's good news for me getting the worms going again. Anyway, all that, I'll say thank you for watching. Get ready, and thank you for watching. Now you have a great New Year. Bye-bye.